Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name is Taro. And I'll be your guide on this exciting journey through the wonders of Japan. Our channel aims to explore and share the rich culture, fascinating history, and breathtaking tourist attractions that Japan has to offer. Whether you're planning to visit Japan or simply want to learn more about this amazing country, we hope you'll join us and enjoy the ride. So, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's get started. Overview of Japan. Geography. Japan is an island nation located in East Asia, consisting of 4 main islands: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. These islands, along with many smaller ones, stretch over approximately 3,000 kilometers from north to south. Japan's total land area is around 377,000 square kilometers. Climate. Japan has a diverse climate due to its long, north-to-south extension. The northern region of Hokkaido experiences cold, snowy winters, while the southern region of Okinawa has a subtropical climate, with warm temperatures year-round. The central and eastern parts, including Tokyo, have a humid subtropical climate with distinct seasons. Population. Japan has a population of approximately 126 million people, making it the 11th most populous country in the world. The majority of the population is concentrated in urban areas, with Tokyo, the capital city, being home to over 9 million people. Country, capital, language, currency. Japan is a constitutional monarchy with an emperor as the symbolic head of state, and a prime minister as the head of government. The capital city is Tokyo, which is also the largest city in the country. The official language is Japanese, and the currency is the Japanese yen JPY. Religion. Japan has a diverse religious landscape, with the 2 main religions being Shinto and Buddhism. Many Japanese people practice both religions, often visiting Shinto shrines for life events and Buddhist temples for funerals. In addition, there is a small percentage of the population that practices Christianity and other religions. Japanese history. Japan has a long and fascinating history that spans thousands of years. Let's take a brief look at some of the key historical periods and architectural highlights. Ancient Japan. The first recorded history of Japan begins with the Jomon period, dating back to around 14,000 BC. Characterized by pottery and hunter-gatherer lifestyles. This was followed by the Yayoi period, during which rice cultivation and metalworking were introduced. Heian period 794–1185. This era marks the peak of imperial power and the flourishing of the arts, literature, and culture. The capital moved to Kyoto, and it was during this time that iconic works, such as The Tale of Genji, were written. Sengoku period 1467–1603, also known as the Warring States period. This was a time of social upheaval and constant warfare among feudal lords, or daimyos, seeking to expand their territories. Edo period 1603–1868, the Tokugawa shogunate established a centralized government and brought peace and stability to Japan. During this time, the capital moved to Edo, present-day Tokyo, and Japan closed its doors to foreign trade, focusing on domestic growth. Meiji Restoration 1868–1912. Japan ended its isolation and rapidly modernized, adopting Western technology and ideas. The emperor was restored to power, and the country underwent significant political, economic, and social transformations. Post-war reconstruction 1945. Present after World War II. Japan experienced rapid economic growth, becoming a global economic powerhouse and a leader in technology and innovation. Throughout its history, Japan has created remarkable architectural masterpieces, such as castles, shrines, and temples. Some notable examples include Himeji Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its elegant white appearance; Kyoto's Kinkakuji Temple Golden Pavilion, and Kiyomizu-dera Temple and the Ancient Eyes Grand Shrine, dedicated to the Shinto sun goddess, Amaterasu. Japanese tourist attractions. Japan offers a wide variety of tourist attractions across its diverse regions. Let's explore some of the most popular destinations and famous spots in the Kanto, Kansai, Kyushu, and Hokkaido areas, as well as some breathtaking natural landscapes. Kanto region, home to Tokyo, Japan's bustling capital. The Kanto region boasts numerous attractions such as the iconic Tokyo Tower, the ancient Asakusa Senso-ji Temple, and the trendy shopping district of Shibuya. Nearby, you can find the historic city of Kamakura, famous for its great Buddha statue, and the world-renowned hot spring resort town of Hakone, Kansai region. This culturally rich region includes Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan, where you can visit the stunning Kinkakuji Golden Pavilion and Fushimi Inari Shrine. The lively city of Osaka, with its bustling food scene and modern attractions like Universal Studios Japan, is also located in Kansai. Additionally, don't miss Nara, home to Todai-ji Temple and its resident deer population in Nara Park. Kyushu region. Kyushu offers a mix of urban attractions and natural beauty. The vibrant city of Fukuoka boasts the impressive Canal City shopping complex and the ancient Dazaifu Tenmengu Shrine. For nature lovers, the active volcano Mount Aso and the scenic Takachiho Gorge provide stunning landscapes to explore. Hokkaido region. Japan's northernmost island, Hokkaido, is known for its vast wilderness, breathtaking national parks, and abundant wildlife. The capital, Sapporo, hosts the annual Sapporo Snow Festival and features attractions such as the historic village of Hokkaido and the beautiful Odori Park. Japan is also home to incredible natural sights, including Mount Fuji, the country's highest peak, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site Nara Park, a sprawling park filled with friendly deer, and Yakushima Island, a lush, subtropical island boasting ancient cedar forests and diverse wildlife. Travel preparation and points of caution. Before embarking on your journey to Japan, it's important to plan and prepare for your trip. Here are some key points to consider, along with tips on manners and rules to follow while in the country. Visa. Depending on your nationality, you may need a visa to enter Japan. Check the requirements on the Japanese embassy or consulate website in your country, and apply in advance if necessary. Air tickets. Book your flights well ahead of time to secure the best deals. To save on costs, budget. Plan your budget based on your travel preferences, including accommodations, meals, attractions, and transportation. Keep in mind that Japan can be expensive, so allocate funds accordingly. Transportation. Research the most convenient and cost-effective transportation options for your itinerary, such as trains, buses, and taxis. Consider purchasing a Japan Rail Pass for unlimited train travel on most junior lines. Accommodation. Book your accommodations in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. Choose from various options, including hotels, ryokans, traditional Japanese inns, hostels, and Airbnb. Packing essentials. Bring necessary items such as your passport, travel documents, medications, electronic devices, and chargers. Pack clothing appropriate for the season and planned activities. Clothing. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites, such as temples and shrines. Remove your shoes when entering traditional Japanese homes, ryokans, and certain restaurants. Manners and rules. Be mindful of local customs and etiquette. For example, avoid talking loudly on public transportation. Refrain from tipping, and observe proper chopstick usage. When in doubt, follow the lead of locals. By preparing in advance and being respectful of Japanese culture and customs, you'll ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Series Introduction. In our upcoming videos, we'll take you on a journey through Japan's diverse attractions and experiences, starting with Tokyo. We'll explore the vibrant district of Akihabara, known as the Mecca of anime and manga, and delve into the world of Japanese pop culture. We'll also visit the majestic Imperial Palace, a symbol of Japan's rich history, and enjoy the lush greenery and tranquil landscapes that the city has to offer. As we continue our series, we'll venture beyond Tokyo to showcase the beauty, culture, and history of destinations across Japan. From the snowy peaks of Hokkaido to the tropical beaches of Okinawa, we'll introduce you to the best that this amazing country has to offer. We'd also love to hear from you, our viewers. If you have any requests for specific places or topics you'd like us to cover, or if you have questions about Japan, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us through our social media channels. We'll do our best to address your requests and questions in our future videos. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in Japan, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. See you soon. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Japan. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and are looking forward to exploring more of this incredible country with us. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, we would appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps our channel grow and allows us to continue creating content for you. We also encourage you to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future episodes. We love hearing from our viewers, and we'll do our best to address your feedback in upcoming videos. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Take care, and happy travels.